Hi everybody, it's Katie here, and today I'm going to show you two options of how I do messy bun. So a couple of things to note. Normally my hair is pin straight. Today I'll be working with day-old hair, I guess you could say, and so it actually makes it easier to go into the bun. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to start by, taking down the day-old hair. And then, let's say it's the morning and you just want to have a chill day and not really worry about mops on your head. So I'm going to start by, brushing it. And this might be a super unnecessary trick, like you might be thinking, I brush my hair every day for my whole life, unless you have a pixie cut, which I don't know what you do, but it helps me to deal with the pain of this mop by holding onto the base of it and then brushing, and then gradually going up. And this is only hurting on a scale of 1 to 10, like a 7 instead of a 20. So you just do that. And now, so it actually took a while for me to figure this out, but I usually start by getting one hair tie, and then I just brush it all back up together and gradually scoot it to where it's going to be super high. Then, first step, you make a super high ponytail. And then honestly, sometimes I do just stop here if I'm like, okay, the stray hair doesn't look too bad, but that's not what we're looking for, is it? We are looking for a sloppy bun. So, oh wow, my hair is super long. You know it's long when you can't even see the end of it in the camera anymore. So now I take my hair and I just start twisting it around one another. And then I'm going to twist it around each other again. And now I'm going to have this other rubber band ready. I do that. And so depending on how rambunctious my hair is going to be that day, I'll either keep it like this or I'll take another one and do it in the middle. But yeah, that's basically it. And if you want to get the messy effect, like you just woke up and you just look super awesome or lazy or whatever day it is, you can kind of shimmy some of the hair out of it. And in my case, I kind of look like a unicorn, but you know, it's fine with me. An even sloppier alternative would be to not even use a hairbrush, just use your fingers. And if you have a very high pain tolerance, this won't hurt at all. For me, I am definitely failing the tugs, but sometimes if you really want it to be sloppy or look very, effortless, you don't even use the first ponytail rubber band. And you just twist on each other by itself, and then just keep twisting. And then, yeah, that's another option. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.